In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large attachments in Gmail. Let's start with a quick rule that catches many people off guard. Gmail limits traditional attachments to about 25 megabytes in total, including all files and the message itself. If you try to send something bigger, Gmail will flag it as too large and suggest uploading the file to Google Drive instead. That's not an error, it's actually the built-in way to handle large files. The easiest method is to use Google Drive, because it's integrated directly into Gmail. First, upload your large file to Google Drive at drive.google.com. You can upload files that are many gigabytes, as long as your drive storage allows it. Then, open Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. At the bottom of the Compose window, click the Google Drive triangle icon. Find your uploaded file, select it, choose Drive Link, and insert. Your email will now include a link that lets the recipient download the file from the cloud, bypassing the attachment size limit. A quick clarification: even though it appears in your message, you're not embedding the file itself. You're sending a link to it in Drive. For some file types, Gmail may show it as a Drive file rather than a plain hyperlink, but it still functions as a cloud link. Also, make sure permissions are set correctly. If your recipient doesn't have access, change the sharing so that anyone with the link can view, especially when sending outside your organization. If your file is only a little over the limit, try compressing it into a zip. On your computer, right-click the file or folder and choose Compress to create a zip file. Attach that zip to your email like any other file. If the zip still exceeds 25 megabytes, Gmail will automatically switch to uploading it to Drive and send a link for you, which keeps the process simple. You can also use other cloud services if you prefer, or if drive storage is tight. Upload your file to a service like Dropbox, OneDrive, WeTransfer, or Smash, copy the shareable link, and paste it into your Gmail message. This approach can be helpful if you need extras such as password protection, expiration dates, or download tracking provided by those platforms. To wrap up, remember that Gmail's 25 megabyte limit applies to the entire message. Sending via a Drive or cloud link solves that by sharing a URL instead of a file. With these options, you can send large files reliably without running into size errors.